Hey everyone, it's Marlene here with Savory Thoughts at savorythoughts.com. In today's video, we will be making this air fryer sea bass recipe. Now, it's so delicate in texture, but it is cooked to perfection, making it one of the easiest protein recipes to share on a special date night. So guys, let's get started. With your air fryer sea bass recipe, we are starting off with the olive oil, followed by the salt and pepper to taste. Next, we are also adding in paprika. You could either use regular paprika or smoked paprika. Go ahead and add in the lemon pepper seasoning base as well as the onion and garlic powder, followed by allspice and parsley flakes. Mix well to combine. And add in the sea bass. Guys, also the full recipe with the exact measurement that we use to prepare this recipe is on our website at savorythoughts.com. And while you're at it, go ahead and like this video. Let us know if you have any comments or questions, and we would also love for you to subscribe to not only the site at savorythoughts.com but as well as this channel, and we do not want you to miss out on any new delicious recipes. Once you're done mixing your sea bass with the olive oil mixture, go ahead and transfer that to the air fryer tray or basket, depending on the air fryer that you are using. Go ahead and lay it flat evenly and cook your sea bass at 325 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. And that's it. So your sea bass is ready for you to serve with the cheddar grits, which we previously shared, and we will also link that video in the description box below. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video. The full recipe with step-by-step photo guide is on our website at savorythoughts.com, and we're also sharing how to pair it with some of our favorite Haitian dishes. Thanks for watching. Cheers.